Let's make Ghana Authentic Shito, the black sauce, using my Ninja Mini Foodi 4.7 liters multi-pressure cooker. My mom has always made the best aromatic shito, and so do I. But instead of blending, we used to pound with mortar and pestle, and trust me, it was so refreshing. Remember to use chili dry peppers if you have them instead of the scallop bonnet pepper. To be honest, this Ninja food processor and blender inspires me to make this shito because I could blend my dry ingredients, and that is so important to me. I had to watch lots of reviews before purchasing this blender. And it came out really smooth and well blended. I just loved how it came out, and if I wanted it to be entirely smooth, I could make it. But what is shito without some obstacles, you know? I had to add a bit of oil to aid blending the wet ingredients because it wasn't just responding. I believe because there were lots of leaves in the first batch. But yeah, after adding the oil, it just blended really well. However, the last batch I didn't add oil nor water, and it came out really nice. Instead of using water to rinse the blender, I do that with oil for less frying. I use this Ninja Mini Foodi multi-pressure cooker for a lot of things. I use it to prepare jollof rice, I use it to prepare stew, I use it to fry things. With shito, you just need to opt for the saute button and put the temperature to 5. You can reduce the temperature to 4, 3, 2, 1. It's that flexible. Because my first batch is very watery, if you put it at 5, definitely it's gonna be splashing. So you put the lid on, and as it fries and the moisture goes off, you can take off the lid and just allow it to fry. You can do that using the saute option. Yeah, so everything was just coming out nice. It is non-stick. And if you are constant with frying, that is one thing about shito, you need to be there to stir. You need to be there to stir often. And ensure your ingredients fry to moderately dry before you add your tomato paste. That is just how my mommy taught me. Yeah, this is kanwa. We call it in my local language. Some people call it saltpeter. It just reduces the sourness of it. So when everything fried well, you can then add the blended dry fish, and you can adjust the oil if needed. Just allow it to fry on a low heat. At this point, I put the temperature to 3, and when you feel like it's almost done, you can add your spices, okay, and any spices of your choice. Remember to add salt last. Sometimes you might not need salt at all because of your spices and all that, so remember to add salt as the last thing. And just look at the beauty. I wish you could smell it. I'm sorry. This is amazing. Trust me, the whole house were out. That is one thing about the shito. If you live in a share house like me, trust me, everybody is gonna be fed up with you because the aroma can travel to miles. Like the aroma can travel just using this method. It's not every shito aroma that travels, but with this, it's not just this. Just ask the people back home, they will tell you. So I dish them in this pots. I'm definitely gonna use some for Ramadan, and of course keep some in the fridge. But with this, you don't usually need to keep it in the fridge. When you let it dry a bit more, you can keep it for as long as you want. See, I still have shito from home for like the last 3 years. I still have it in my cabinet, trust me. Let me know if you're gonna try this method, and let me know if you're gonna use your Ninja Foodi Mini processor to make the shito. We'll see you later. Bye.